Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Top Crypto Bull here once again to update you guys on the greatest and latest news and rumors of the crypto world. Let's get right into it, guys. Well, this video is for you Helium lovers with the ticker HNT. And it's going to be a price prediction video, but before we get there, let's find out what Helium is. So what is Helium? Helium is a network that represents a paradigm shift for decentralized wireless infrastructure. It looks like Helium is a network powered by the people. Let's start a wireless revolution. So what can you do with Helium? Well, you could mine Helium, build a future for wireless. By deploying a Helium hotspot in your home, office, or elsewhere in the wild, you can provide your town with wireless network coverage for a low-power Internet of Things or cellular device and earn Helium tokens. Use massive decentralized connectivity. Hundreds of companies and thousands of developers are already building on the People's Network, or Helium, the world's largest LoRaWAN network and the fastest growing cellular network. Oh yeah, guys, it does have a 5G cellular network, which is one of the perks of Helium. Thousands of existing solutions, sensors, devices, and gateways can be easily configured to run on both the Helium cellular and global LoRaWAN networks. And it's got a lot of partners. Helium is used by Agulous, Airly, NOWI, Digital Matter, Lone Star, One Planet, My Devices, Kerbad, and Mimia. Yeah, and the biggest, the coolest thing about Helium is that it does have a 5G cellular phone you could get and you could actually use, and it's a lot cheaper than like Verizon or like T-Mobile or any cellular company out there, guys. I think it's like $20 a month right now, if my memory serves me correctly. But it's mostly used in the U.S. right now. Here you can see the map. It's got mostly all the hotspots are in the U.S. and in Europe, and a little bit in Asia, and then the rest of the world is like very little, hardly at all. But the U.S. and Europe, you could definitely use the Helium 5G phone, guys. So also, guys, in case you guys didn't know, HNT has been defying the market trend with a 21% surge, and it's been fueled by the Helium ecosystem growth. So it looks like a surge in subscribers and hotspots are key factors in HNT's recent double-digit surge. HNT, the native token of the Helium ecosystem, has outperformed the crypto market with a 21% surge over the last 2 days, as Helium's mobile subscribers count continues to grow. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows the HNT price rose from a low of $7.50 on September 5 to reach an intraday high of $8.35 level. And it says, according to the data of CoinMarketCap, the latest rally places HNT at the first spot on the list of the biggest gainers among the top 100 cryptocurrency by market value. So yeah, it looks like the Helium mobile subscribers count surpasses 112,000. In case you guys didn't know, guys, there's another token called Helium Mobile, and the ticker is MOBILE, mobile. And basically it's like a reward token. If you set up a hotspot for the Helium network, they'll reward you in mobile. So I mean, you can make easy money. All you gotta really do is just set the mobile hotspot like in your house, in your office, or anywhere, and that's it. That's all you gotta do is just set it up and keep it running, and you will be rewarded in mobiles. And you could cash it in for money or just let it grow until the top of the parabolic bull run. It says Helium Mobile has reinforced its position in the telecommunications sector, meeting several milestones in its growth trajectory. Helium Mobile uses the Helium network to connect to hotspots around the world, allowing for data sharing, tracking, and communication without relying on traditional centralized cellular networks or Wi-Fi networks. The number of Helium mobile subscribers exceeded 100,000 in early August and stood at 112,709 as of September 4th, according to Helium mobile data. The tally has increased over 300-fold in 1 year. Yeah, guys. It looks like, September 2023, they only had 11 subscribers. And now they got up to 18,355 at the time of publication. So that's pretty good. So yeah, it says the hotspots. Oh, it looks like the number of hotspots in September 23 was only 11. And now, as of September 4th, they have up to 18,355 hotspots around the world. According to data from the Helium website, the hotspot map showed that its network had grown significantly in the United States and Western Europe, with a growing presence in Latin America and Asia. The Helium mobile network usage has also grown in the last 30 days. On September 5th, the daily total usage was estimated to reach 3,033. This points to a healthy trend growing to Helium's powerful depend narrative, positively impacting AT&T price. AT&T price market setup hints at further gains. From a technical point of view, AT&T is trading within an ascending parallel channel, suggesting the continuation of the uptrend. The chart below shows the token's price is trading above all the major moving averages and indicating that it enjoys a robust support on the downside. The bulls will now attempt to push the price above the middle boundary of the channel at $8.50. If the price remains within the channel, it could eventually rise to reach the target of the prevailing chart pattern at $10.50. So yeah, here's the ascending parallel channel, guys. Yeah, it's pretty bullish. It just keeps going up. So yeah, it might dip down to this trend line, but it'll bounce back up to like $10.50 if it follows this ascending parallel channel uptrend, guys. So hopefully that is the case for you Helium holders out there. So yeah, guys. So continuing with Helium, let's continue more with Helium. So I showed you guys the hotspot, like the article mentioned. Most of the coverage for the Helium cellular 5G phone is in the US and Europe, and a little bit in Asia and a little bit in Latin America, and the rest of the world is sporadic, very few coverage. Let's see what else they got in Helium. Well, you can mine it too, guys. Build the future of wireless. By deploying a Helium hotspot in your home, office, or elsewhere in the wild, you can provide your town with wireless network coverage for a low-power Internet of Things or cellular devices and earn Helium tokens. Oh yeah, so we just went over this actually. Here's one thing I wanted to show you. Let me find it real quick. Must be on the Internet of Things. Hotspots. Yeah, so provide wireless connectivity and mine Helium tokens. Mining Helium tokens, IoT and mobile, is done by installing a simple device in your home or office window, and that's it. That's all you do. So world of hotspots. Since the Helium community approved HIP-19, dozens of third-party manufacturers and vendors are producing and supplying hotspots that mine Helium tokens for providing wireless connectivity. Below are hotspot models that have so far been approved by the Manufacturing Compliance Committee. So yeah, here are all the providers for these hotspot, guys. But I mean, if you want to make some easy money, guys, if you want to earn rewards in mobile, the token MOBILE, that's a ticker. All you got to do is set one of these Helium hotspots in your home or office or anywhere really, and then that's it. Just keep it on all the time, and you will be rewarded, guys. And then you cash that those Helium mobiles in for cash. So let's take a look at the Helium tokenomics now, guys. Look at the time of recording. We got helium at $8.25. Um, the current market cap is $1,326,000,000. The circulating supply is 160,875,000 HNT, and the total supply is 160,875 HNT. So basically the same. So that's good. The circulating supply is all out. It's the same as the total supply, but the max supply is unlimited, infinite. So they could come out with more HNT tokens if the team chose to, guys. But as far as I know, they haven't mentioned anything like that currently. Looks like the all-time low of HNT helium was in June 9, 2020, and it was 25 cents. Man, I wish I would have picked some up for 25 cents. I'd be up like 31x by now. And the all-time high was in the 2021 bull run of $55. So I moved, man, you would have done more than like an 100x if you would picked it up in the low and sold it in the high of the 2021 bull run. So hopefully somebody did. Hopefully some of you guys listening did. And where can you buy helium? Well, you could. I mean, it's an old school crypto, so you could buy it just about anywhere. You can buy it at Coinbase Exchange, Bybit, Radium, Kraken, Gate.io, KuCoin, Mexi, Bitget, Crypto.com, BingeX, and many other DEXs and exchanges. Now let's get into the chart, guys. So we know the all-time low was 25 cents, and right now the current price is $8.24. And it looks like this cycle, the current low for this cycle, it looks like it was 23. So it looks like it was like $1, like around $1 and like 30 cents, right around there was the cycle low, done sometime in September 23. So you would have bought there, you'd be up like almost an 8x. And then now for my price prediction. I do believe it's very bullish. I mean, it's got the use cases I already mentioned to you guys, especially the cellular 5G wireless connection, and then it's got the Internet of Things going for it. I do believe it could do at least a 10x from the price of today. So I do believe it could get to at least like $80, guys. So definitely do think it could get to about $80. And then like my bullish case scenario. If Bitcoin has like a massive bull run, I do believe it could get to somewhere like about like let me see, it's got 160 million supplies. So I do believe it could get somewhere like about like $200, guys. If it got to $200, the market cap would be right around let me see, at $80 it would be right around like 13 billion. So at 200, it would be like around like 30 billion. So I totally see that doable for HNT, guys. Somewhere between 13 billion and 30 billion market cap. So just to summarize, guys, my bearish case scenario for HNT is about like $80, like a 10x from the price of today. And $80 will be my bearish prediction. And then my bullish case scenario, guys, would be about $200. Which would be right around a $30 billion market cap. I could see it topping off on this bull run cycle top, guys. And now since Helium Mobile is connected to Helium, let's do a price prediction on it too. Like I said, it's basically the reward token you get for putting a hotspot in your house or office or anywhere. All you gotta do is keep it on, and that's it. And so let's do a price prediction on it too, because it's pretty much connected to Helium. Let's see. Let's go over the tokenomics on Helium Mobile before we go to the price prediction. Looks like the current market cap is $91 million. So it's got a low market cap still. And the tokenomics circulating supply is 85 billion. And the total supply is 97 billion. So at least it's about like 90% of the total supply is already circulating. And again, it has no max supply, so they could come out with more supply if they wanted to, but they haven't mentioned anything like that so far. and the all-time low was in October 21st, 2023. It's not that old. It just came out because the service of the 5G cellular just came out in 2023. So if you would have bought it then, it was the all-time low was 0.00007. So basically 407, and the all-time high was made in December 18, 2023, of 0.007, and the current price is 0.001071. So I've noticed this one does fluctuate a lot, because I mean it is a reward token, so a lot of people get it as rewards and they sell off. See, if you look at this all-time chart here, goes up, people sell off, goes down, then it goes up, people sell off, and right now we're at the sell-off part. So I mean we're pretty much you know, at not all-time lows, but we're pretty much at a low price. So it's probably going to go up here once the parabolic bull run starts. So I do see this one, you know, like again, you know, like I could definitely see like just about any cryptocurrency 10xing from the low prices they are today. So that would be like my bearish case scenario, guys. Would be right around like a penny. So my bearish case scenario would be like about a penny. And then my extra bullish case scenario would be right around like 10 cents, guys. Because about a penny, you'd be looking about $1 billion market cap. And about 10 cents, you would be looking about a $10 billion market cap. So I totally see that doable for Helium Mobile with the ticker MOIBILE, guys. Well, guys, are you guys bullish on Helium? And are you guys bullish on Helium Mobile? Let me know in the comments if you guys hold some Helium or some mobile. Do you guys are you guys participating in the hotspot program? Are you guys earning mobile rewards? Let me know in the comments, guys. If you live in the United States, it might not be a bad idea to switch to HNT, to Helium Mobile, because I think they're only charging like $20 a month, and it's like unlimited text, unlimited calls, unlimited everything. And I believe all the other Verizon plans and T-Mobile and all the other companies, they're like somewhere around $40-50. So you definitely will save some money there. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, guys. Also, guys, just as a reminder, help the channel out. Help us out with the YouTube algorithm. Hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel. It's Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.